If you are interested in getting a smile rehab here at Atkins Dental Clinic, and it has been determined that a resin veneer option is not something that is going to complete what you need for your desired outcome, we do offer porcelain or ceramic restorative plates. I do not provide those in a veneer. I do a full coverage crown, and that is mainly due to the fact that the veneer has a higher incidence of fracture or the cementation failing, while not providing any form of true reinforcement or protection against further decay, whereas a full coverage crown would. It's my philosophy that anytime I take a burr to a tooth, I'm creating a weak point for bacterial attack down the road. No matter how clean or tightly it is sealed, bacteria is still smaller. And where I place a full coverage crown that goes around the circumference of the neck of the tooth, that is a much smaller amount of surface area that is then weakened compared to taking that whole face of the tooth off and then off the back in order to create the veneer seal. For intents and purposes, we accomplish the same aesthetically while still not sacrificing or creating a higher risk of future failure due to decay.